video will demonstrate how to benefit from using Arthur's in-app email, text and notification features. You can utilise this by going to Settings in the bottom left hand corner and then selecting in Account Settings the option that says Automated Events. For this video we're going to discuss benefiting from the Rent section, which is going to be notifying tenants of late rent. So you can see I've opened Automated Event under Rents, opened up the section that says late rent 7 days, and I'm going to edit the message that says email tenants. You'll see below there's a mail merge message that will be individually addressed to each tenant that's sent to, and it will be changed, as you see from the due date section, based on each individual late rent. I can choose to send an email, which is what it's currently set at, but I also choose to send an SMS message. And again, I can choose to write an automated message in this box. There are a number of other functions you can apply messages, emails or notifications to. You just have to play around with automated events, but popular ones include welcome emails, late rents, and also any additions of certificates or maintenance work that's been added onto Arthur.